A lot of us instructors probably start off with PowerPoint slides. That's something we might have done from our previous classrooms or perhaps part of our presentations in our other jobs. So we might ask, how might I use my PowerPoint slides perhaps as a basis for starting some of my online presentations? Let's take a look at what if we were in the classroom. What do the students actually see when we're doing a PowerPoint type of presentation? Well, certainly they see the graphics, the PowerPoint presentation themselves. We might embed a lot of other things in our presentations. But I'll also say that they get something in addition to just the PowerPoint presentations. They get the instructor, and they can hear the instructor provide the narration, if you will, or the meat of the presentation. And they also see the instructor. And that's especially true, for example, if we think of the instructor pointing, using the pointer to emphasize certain aspects of a presentation. So how might we at least take some of the same ideas of being both the visuals and the vocal presentation? Well, let's take a look at some of the options that we can do starting out from a PowerPoint presentation. Certainly a very common type of thing is to provide handouts for students, something they can see. And very often we provide images of each slide. And it's really easy, of course, to produce that Adobe type of format, the PDF file. Now, another thing that we can do is actually create a slideshow from our PowerPoint. And you can see that the file suffix is .pps. And when a student downloads that slideshow, they can actually see on screen the slides. And also, you have the option of embedding audio information. So you could actually add the narration to that slide, and the student can listen to it. Now, another one that we can do is create a movie of our presentation. And it basically captures everything that we might do. It captures our voice. It also captures our cursor. So I can move the cursor, say, from the image to the other movie image as I'm speaking to you. So you get some of the advantages of listening to an instructor and also basically syncing up with the visuals of our PowerPoint. The last item we just mentioned here is that with a movie we can also embed it directly into our browser window so that a student could be part of the course, say for example the WebCT course, and actually see your presentation without having to go outside and downloading it in order to see it. We'll take a look at some of these ways to do them in a separate subsequent presentation.